you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, foot activated open and go liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6667.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.